Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is 23rd of February, and this is a new release of the daily overview of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from Trade Hub, and me, leading analyst Mikhail. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. After the expected correction within the second wave, we get an upward impulse. The invalidation level of this option you can see on the chart. There is also an alternative, according to which all this growth ended at this point, and the correction is not over yet. In this case, it will take the form of a double zigzag. Then it will looks like W, X, and Y. For the franc dollar, it looks like we got such a second wave, and we are expecting a decline downward within downward third wave. But there is also an alternative that implies more global correction, just like in the euro. As for the pound, I switched to the option with stretching at fifth wave. We got the leading diagonal, after which a correction in the second wave, and now wave 3 of this period is developing. For the Canadian dollar, we have two options. The first one you can see on the chart. This is waves 1, 2 and 1, 2 in downward direction. And the second one, the end of this all downward impulse at this point. For the dollar-yen, we are going into expected correction, the targets of which are at the levels of 50 and 61% of Fibonacci level. It is likely that the correction has ended or at this point or will take the form of a double zigzag to reach these targets. For the Australian dollar, we quickly formed the second wave and continue to grow. I think this is only waves 1 and 2 in the third upward wave of larger fifth wave. For the WTI crude oil, correction was limited up to this mark and continued to grow. I am out of the market. I will look for points to enter trades only after appearance of clear patterns. S&P index moved down within the correction. It is likely that it is not completed yet and we will see some more decline. In the gold market, we need to get a large leading wave to confirm the continuation of growth, while I am out of the market. And the last for today, Bitcoin. Let me remind you that we closed all our purchases at $51,000 and $54,000. Yesterday I entered long at lower border of the channel at this point, but I closed this purchase due to the correctional structure. Perhaps now we will see a more global correction where it will be profitable to enter into medium-term purchases. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.